Hello, all of you Advocare distributors. My name is George Breyer, and I'm coming to you from my home office here in Escanaba, Michigan. And I've decided to make this video because I wanted to give you all a message. And my message is this. I know that I can help you be the top enroller in your Advocare company by this time next year. You heard me right. You can be the top enroller in your Advocare company by this time next year. And the reason why I know that I can do that is because I did it. I was the top enroller for my company this year. All right. Now, I've done some research on Advocare. Okay, and I know Advocare is a good company. Okay, I know that it was founded in 1993 in Dallas by Charles Ragus. Okay, I know that you have 70 exclusive nutritional and skincare products. And I also know that you have a pretty good compensation plan. In fact, you guys were accepted into the Direct Selling Association in 2002. So you got a good company. But as you're probably starting to realize, is it takes more than a good company, takes more than a good compensation plan, takes more than a good founder, and it takes more than a good product to make money in this industry. Okay, what does it take to make money in this industry? Well, you got to show the plan every day, right? What were you taught? Make a names list of everybody that you know, and then go show them the plan. And after you get through all those people, then you can buy some leads and start calling cold leads. But they're good leads because they're real-time leads. And they're only sold to you, and they're great leads. But when you call them, they're not home, or you leave a message and they never call you back, or if you do get them on the phone, they don't really want to talk with you. And you can spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on those cold generic leads. I know, I've done it. And I don't do it anymore. What I want to do is I want to show you how you can get an unlimited amount of free leads. Okay? I want to show you how you can get between 5 and 20 people every single day calling you to ask you to show them your Advocare business. I guarantee that once you do some research and find out about what I'm talking about here by going to my website, you're going to start learning things that you've never even heard of before. All right? I know with these techniques, I can help anybody with a dream generate a lead for any network marketing company out there. Okay? Now, the website that I want you to go to is fundedwealthformula.com. All right? It's fundedwealthformula.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can see my link right over there to the right. But if you're watching it on a different video, well, it might be below or it might be over to the left. But you're definitely going to see the website on the screen. It's right there. fundedwealthformula.com. Okay, go there, fill out the form, and start your new journey in generating leads for free. Okay, using a few different methods that we're going to teach you step by step. We have free webinars every week where you can plug in and learn how to do this, okay, and start attracting people to you. Okay, it's all about traction marketing. Okay, the days of chasing family and friends and buying cold leads are over, and if you're caught in that trap, well, it doesn't really work. You know, take my word for it. So go to the website, give me a call. You can call me anytime. My phone number is 906-789-1158. Again, it's 906-789-1158. And you'll also be able to see the information, my contact information, on the credits at the end of this video. Okay? Let's build Advocare big. Let's create some true lifelong residual income in your life. And you can do it with Advocare. And you can do it with my help and my system. Okay? I'll be looking forward to talking to all of you real soon. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.